Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix virtual machine detected error in Roblox. To fix the issue, locate the Roblox app. Now, hold on to it for a few seconds and tap on the eye icon. Here, tap on the storage and cache option. Clear the cache and storage of the app. Another way is to hold the app for a few seconds. Then, hit the bin icon to uninstall the app. After that, go to the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Tap on your profile at the top and reach Manage Apps and Devices. Here, open the Updates section to view pending app updates. Now, look for the Roblox app in the list. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. This will bring new features and fix existing bugs. If the issue is still there, try another method. Restart your phone to refresh the system and improve its performance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.